Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today's video should be titled, I think I have a problem. Here's why I say that. Are you ever puzzled over how to truly maximize your GPU mining? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to another adventure in the crypto maze where we explore, experiment, and sometimes stumble upon hidden treasures. Let's dive right into it. Recently, I succumbed to temptation and bought 5 4060 Ti's GPUs for $300 each. A hard-to-resist deal, I must say, but was it a smart move? I'm still not entirely sure. My experience with 4060s is rather limited, and their overclocks are still a mystery to me. I have been using hashrate.io to get my overclocks for new cards I haven't used before. This impulsive purchase took place just when XRP's price started dipping down to 48 cents. With the talk about Ripple developing a stable coin. My personal opinion is they lost the focus on XRP. To me, that was a warning sign to sell what I had, as it has, under preform for the last year. So I sold it at 71 cents in mid-March, moved my profits into stable coins and waiting for the dip today at 48 cents. But I'm an optimist and I believe in XRP's potential. So I bought more while it was low, hoping for a rebound. Now let's address the elephant in the room: the associated cost of GPU mining. The one that tops the list is the cost associated with GPU cases. For instance, a case can set you back anywhere from $500 to $700. They do offer stability, which is a great advantage, but the cost can be a hurdle, especially for those just starting out in the world of crypto. May I suggest an open-air rig you can get for around $40? So what's the solution? As much as I advocate for GPU cases, I believe that newcomers can do without them initially. The learning curve of assembling your first rig can be steep, but it's rewarding when you see your GPUs hashing. Building your first rig is like a badge of honor. I think every miner I know started the same way with open cases, and the money saved, that could get you a couple of extra GPUs. On the topic of cases, I've been favoring VT Retu mining cases, which you can get for about $499 each. You can find them on Amazon or check out their link on my main YouTube page. If you're looking for high-end options, the Octominer X8 Ultra Plus and the Octominer X12 Ultra, priced at $595 and $695 respectively, are worth considering. But then, there's always that nagging thought about ASICs. The constant noise from the fans can be a bit too much, especially when your mining farm is right under your bedroom. See, for me, my homeowners association won't let me have a tool shed in my backyard. I've been thinking about only using 3 of the 4 sides on the shed and make it look like it is a bump out from my house and attached. Also, I've been contemplating immersion mining, but is it worth the hassle? I have been watching Voss Coin and his immersion farm. The prices are high to buy the supplies in these units, so it probably isn't for me. The concept is interesting, however. You place your ASICs into what looks like a cooler case filled with non-conductive liquid, and it keeps your ASIC from overheating. Of course, with liquid surging through the ASIC, it greatly reduces the noise from the fans, which in turn makes it possible to mine from home with ASICs. Again, if ASICs are something you are interested in, immersion mining is the only way I would do it if a shed was not possible. For me, it is easy to simply contact Terra Hosting and visit with Hawk about hosting my ASICs. They are responsible for everything from setup, overclocking, and keeping up time as a primary focus. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Now, let's recap the main points we've discussed today. GPU mining can be a profitable venture, but it's not without its challenges. Cost is a significant factor, and decisions like whether to invest in GPU cases or more GPUs can make a huge difference. And then there's the eternal debate between GPUs and ASICs. Remember, investing in crypto is risky and it's essential to do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. It's always wise to step back and evaluate your financial situation before making any major decisions. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you. Until next time, happy mining.